Look at all the tires we're gonna shred up today, guys. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. We are in Apple Valley on the track. Look at that fucking dope. I'm gonna get my drone out here right now. Little motherfucker. Damn, we got Alex in here. She's gonna learn too today. She's gonna get in the track. We're gonna fucking tear that shit up. She's gonna cry. Oh shit. Hello. Got a SpongeBob. Oh shit. Alright, mano, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna learn today and show Vito how to drift today. He's gonna be driving today.
So Ramon, Mondo, you gonna show me how to drift today? I wish I could have brought my Z, but I found out how bad the
He doesn't need one. He doesn't need one. There's stuff for him.
No, my puro 240.
Yeah. On the squad.
86. Ese wey.
Ese no habla Nintendo.
No habla Nintendo. So Jesse, how come you didn't bring a car?
Because I want to get fucking drunk. I was telling him right now that we should have just brought like a 20-pack, 30-pack.
You know what? I was gonna bring it.
And we should have been drinking, right? We've been chilling here for an hour, so we would have been just been like kind of like tipsy. So when Armando would say, like, "Hey, here, take my car," instead of going that way to the truck, I would have been going that way.
Oh shit! You're so fucked up.
I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? They tried to overlook me, but it was impossible. The flow too illy, too sick, too hospital. Be careful who you in, because the end result will rot your bones. I hold no grudges, just loving on the microphone. When you enter my life, I hope you leave better. Not to mention filled up and fully loaded pressure. Don't come, but I know you'll overcome. Why am I so confident? All of heaven got my back. I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? They tried to overlook me, but it was impossible. The flow too illy, too sick, too hospital. Be careful who you in, because the end result will rot your bones. I hold no grudges, just loving on the microphone. When you enter my life, I hope you leave better. Not to mention filled up and fully loaded pressure. Don't come, but I know you'll overcome. Why am I so confident? All of heaven got my back. I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? I know what the bottom look like, it ain't rocking. I know how it feel to be alone, ain't popping. The flip side is a whole nother option, and that's the side I'm living on. Doing more than talking, what's up? Am I so confident? All of heaven got my back. Am I so confident? All of heaven got my back. Not to mention filled up and fully loaded pressure. Am I so confident? All of heaven got my back. Am I so confident? All of heaven got my back.
this one?
Because it's short, dude.
Oh, I can't reach.
I can do this stuff too.
I can't reach it. Go for it already?
Not yet. I'm gonna go over here.
Oh, okay. I was like, you're gonna go for the test run? So in Raymond's whip. Raymond, you excited?
Yes. Nervous, but fucking excited.
Is a fucking? It was a horrible drive, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
Hopefully it is. Is it welded diff?
Yep.
Oh shit!
I daily drive my welded diff to work, dude.
Fuck. We're gonna have to do a review on that, how it is, and the pros and cons.
Honestly, there's not really any cons. There's very light tire wear, but it's not as bad as people say. It's actually like really drivable.
Like whatever and shit.
You feel it? You don't feel shit, dude.
Yeah, you just feel like the jumpy on the
You
turning.
like in the tight turns, that's when you feel it.
Oh shit! All right, guys, here you go. See how it fucking pulls. You gotta catch me out guard, huh? Woo! Ah! Ah! Shit. Whoa! Oh my god! Here we go again! Woo! Oh, me Maria. All right. Damn. All right, guys. So we're gonna end up chasing up Mondo's car here in Raymond's 240. See that shit rolls. We're going like a badass. You're gonna be using it as a chaser car in a bit, and then we're gonna chase him in a bit. Hell yeah. Hola. Hey, beautiful. What? By appointment only. Yeah. Are you gonna go? All right. Yeah, let's wait till it cools down, and then if anything, we'll let it cool down, and we'll just try to catch up to Armando.
Yeah, okay. You wanna try this turn?
Try it. Fuck it. Send it, homie. Ah! Oh shit!
A little too crazy.
Oh,
This guy goes.
an honor. Oh, here comes the Civic. Oh no! All right, we gotta catch it to Armando.
I can't get it.
Woo! The Civic, you feel it?
I'm good at falling in the dirt. I stuck?
Yeah. Opa. What are you doing?
Did you put your signals? Yeah.
Because este güey, en caso le pone la double patty, I think he did put the double patty.
Neta, Messer. Neta.
Cuesta $6.
Bien torcido. Neta, comerte algo.
That's fucking awesome.